Autophagy literally means self-eating. Sounds scary, right? But it's not. Think of it as a recycling, the body identifying all the damaged components. If you have here any damaged cellular component inside your body, inside your liver here, or inside here, this is your liver, and this is your intestine here, the large intestine and the small intestine. Here we have the gallbladder, and here we have the pancreas lying between the stomach here behind the liver. If we remove the liver from here, you can see here is the stomach, and here the yellow one is your pancreas, who is responsible for insulin. Yes. Here, the body start identifying all the damaged components inside your body, not only inside your digestive tract, breaking them down and reuse what is useful. Imagine cleaning your garage, throwing away your junk, keeping what matters. That's simple way to understand autophagy. Yes, your body can do it alone without any interfering from you or from doctors. Some people report better energy, better appetite control, improved relationship with food, and better awareness of hunger. Also, weight management support, metabolic flexibility. Now, let's be clear. Fasting is not the magic, and it's not a cure for everything, for sure, but it's one of the most fascinating tools researchers continue to study for decades. I want everyone watching right now to answer honestly. What is harder for you? Giving up sugar, giving up late night snacks, skipping breakfast, for example, eating less often? Write your answer in the comments and I'm gonna read them all. Okay, here is what I want you to remember tonight. The human body here is not weak. The human body is not stupid. The human body is not designed to fail or to be diseased. It's designed to adapt. Yes, to adapt, to repair, to survive, to recover. Sometimes the healthiest thing you can do is stop constantly interfering with the work your body is already trying to do. Okay, for the next 7 days, don't change what you eat. Okay, it's a challenge. Don't change what you eat, change when you eat. Yes, when you gonna start to eat and feed yourself and feed your whole entire ecosystem inside here and the trillions of microorganisms inside here, your digestive tract, who controls your brain, your hormones, your mood, and also your metabolism. Give your body a little more space between meals. Then come back to this channel and tell me what happened. Did your energy change? Did your hunger change? Did your sleep change? Yes. Did your cravings you have suffered from a change or not? I swear, all of it will change. I want every person who accepts this challenge to write down "I'm in," okay, in the comments. And if you believe that your body deserves to learn how amazing the human body really is, subscribe to Dr. T Health, because our next live will answer an even bigger question. If the body has a repair mood, what are the everyday habits silently turning that repair mood off? Okay, I'm here waiting for your comments. If you have any question, write it down in the comment section and I'm gonna read it. I'm giving you time if you want to ask anything. Feel free, and the answer, I'm gonna answer it. You see here, this is the anatomy. If you're inside digestive tract, you can see the liver the liver here start secretion, hormones, and yes, the synergy between the pancreas and the liver matters a lot inside your body. Okay, if you have any question, I'm waiting for you. I'm leaving you here with your anatomy. Yes, this is your colon, which all of us suffer from due to our lifestyle and our food behavior, late night eating, poor sleep. Okay, I see you didn't have any questions, so you're with me. Okay, let's talk about body fat because I know many people collect on this life hoping we would get there, and I want to start by breaking a myth. Fat is not the enemy. Yes, the fat is not the enemy. Let me say it again. Fat is not not a mistake. Fat is not proof that your body is broken. Fat is actually one of the greatest survival tools humans ever developed. Think about it with me. For most of human history, nobody knew when the next meal was coming. Food wasn't available 24 hours a day. There was no refrigerators, no grocery stores, no food delivery apps. The human body evolved an incredible solution: store extra energy for later. That's what fat cells do. Yes, they are energy saving accounts. The problem isn't that we have fat cells. The problem is many people never access the energy stored inside them. Why? Because insulin here stays elevated for most of the day. Now, don't panic. When you hear the word insulin, insulin isn't bad. Okay, insulin keeps us alive, but insulin has a job. As any other hormone inside our body, its job is to help move nutrient into cells. After eating, insulin rises here from the pancreas. Okay, that's normal. But when insulin remain elevated all the day inside your body, the body becomes less interested in accessing stored energy. Now think about it, about modern eating patterns we do. Breakfast with coffee, with sugar, snack, lunch, snack, then protein bar, dinner, dessert, midnight snack. The body rarely gets a chance to switch gears. It's constantly handling incoming fuel inside your digestive tract because fasting creates periods where insulin naturally declines. And when insulin declines, the body begins asking, can I use some of the energy? Yes, I have already stored. Have you ever experienced a period where you weren't constantly hungry? Maybe during fasting, maybe during travel, maybe during a busy day. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't miss to subscribe to the channel to know more about your health and more about your gut.